Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set the time in your Chevrolet Spark. Start by turning your Spark's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. This powers up the electrical system, including your radio or infotainment display. Make sure the radio is on so you can easily access its menu and settings. This initial step is crucial for preparing your vehicle to adjust the time accurately. Now look for the Menu or Config button on your radio unit and press it. This will bring up the main settings menu on your display. Use the tuning knob or the arrow buttons to navigate through the options. You are looking for an entry labeled Time or Clock. Once you find it, select it to proceed to the next step. With the Time or Clock option selected, you will likely see Set Time or Separate Hour and Minute Adjustments. Use the tuning knob or arrow buttons to increase or decrease the hour. After setting the hour, navigate to the minutes and adjust them precisely. If your clock uses a 12-hour format, ensure you select the correct AM or PM setting before finalizing. Once you have set both the hours and minutes to your desired time, you will need to save your changes. Often, pressing the Menu or Set button again will confirm and save the new time. Double-check the display to ensure the clock now shows the correct time. Your Chevrolet Spark's clock is now accurately set, ready for your next journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.